DNA replication. An overview of how cells copy their DNA before division. What is DNA replication? DNA replication is the process of copying DNA. It occurs before cell division. Ensures each new cell gets identical DNA. Structure of DNA. DNA is a double helix, made of nucleotides A, T, C, G. Base pairing A, T, C, G. Key enzymes. Helicase. Unwinds DNA. DNA polymerase. Adds nucleotides. Primase. Adds primers. Ligase. Joins fragments. Leading versus lagging strand. Leading strand. Continuous synthesis. Lagging strand made in fragments. Okazaki fragments. Final result. First, 2 identical DNA molecules. Second, each has one original and one new strand. Third, called semi-conservative replication.